Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Air, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So if you wish to download the app from other source than the Google Play Store, then you have to turn on this option. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the apps. Then scroll down to find a special access, and here scroll down again to localize the option Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from my browser. Then all I have to do is to simply find it in the list and tap on it, and then tap on Allow from this source. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install something. However, be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again. And as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.